Faulty Dewalt drill repair. Motor works, gearbox doesn't. This is a DCH778 Type 2 Dewalt drill brushless version. Cheap and cheerful model basically. Not very expensive to buy. Everything's working on it. Put it in drill mode. First speed. Works fine. Second speed. Grinding the gears. Let's get on there, fix it up here. This is a straightforward fix. For the Dewalts, this actually is a repairable problem. Not too expensive to fix. Wee bit of work involved, but very much doable. All you're going to need is a new gear casing. This part here. It's not difficult to get a hold of. Plenty of places online selling this here sort of stuff. Just Google the model of your drill, 778 Type 2, and to Google, followed by parts. You'll get loads of online shops selling the spare parts for these here. They'll give you a full breakdown as well. Just select the item number of the gear case, get the part number, and just order it. A few pound delivery then. Very easy. Now, let's get on there. 4 gearbox screws are PH2s, Phillips 2s. The rest are all T10s. Just cut this sticker in half so it'll actually open. And the sticker on the bottom. Pull the gearbox out a little bit. Release the cover. Give the motor a wee pull. Twist. Pull it away. And this side's fine. Next thing is to take off this here gear lever. Prise it up on one side. It'll drop off. Got that big metal washer. Take these out individually or just as a whole unit. This one is your gear selector. Have to give that a clean. Now, 4 more screws here. Again, Phillips. That's as far as you need to go. This is your faulty component. This is your gear case. This ring gear here. There's metal teeth on it. These wee straight boys. They lock in these plastic teeth on the gear casing. So if you're putting this under heavy load, this meant to lock this gear in place. So under heavy load, if you're straining the drill too much, this can break free and round out these plastic teeth. So to fix it, let's replace this part. Nice square straight teeth is what should be on this. Not like that. So this is all we need. That sits on. Screw it down. And take your clean gear. Drop that on. You put a little dab gear grease down in here, just because we washed that one. Only need a little dab, that's it. Any more and it's going to leak back out again. Drop Drop that gear on. Put this one on first. It's just easier if you take these gears off. Drop that on, and then put your little gears back on. Just makes it a wee bit easier to assemble. Anyways, holding this in place, this change lever actually drops into this little slot down in here. That first gear we put on the gear selector, there's a little track in it. This actually has to go onto the track. There. Same on the other side. Make sure it's on. And that's it. And just twist it into place. Funny enough, this would be a cheaper drill. It's only cheaper than the gearbox. Actual motor and switch, same as every other Dewalt. Use the same motor unit, same switch unit, same contacts. That's all one piece, same as any other one. It's just the actual gearbox unit then is actually different, and the light. Pop on your cover. That should be her. One Dewalt cordless drill with a repaired gearbox. All you need is a new gearbox casing. Dewalt may not sell the switch and motor assemblies separate. You have to buy the switch and the motor all as one piece, but they do actually supply all the parts inside the gearbox, which is quite useful. When you all on, that little repair there costs around €30 in total, including the VAT and labour. So well worth it if you have a Dewalt drill and she strips out one of the gears. €30 for a repair shop will actually get it up and running again. That's it. Thanks for watching, lads. Give us a like and a follow, and hit subscribe if you want to support the channel. Cheers.